Welcome to CCTV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news.
We were founded as a political movement against colonialism, and after 84 years, we are still doing the work of decolonization. Time come to get over our colonial relationship with the British Crown. We honor the memory of Queen Elizabeth II, but we are ready, and we have been ready, for Jamaica to become a republic with a head of state who is a Jamaican, who is one of us.
As Jamaica considers becoming a republic, it's essential to examine the country's readiness for this significant transition. While the idea of shedding monarchical ties and embracing full independence is appealing, it's crucial to ensure that Jamaica is economically and socially equipped to stand on its own. Becoming a republic means that Jamaica will no longer recognize the British monarch as its head of state. This change will require significant adjustments to the country's governance, economy, and international relationships. To navigate these challenges successfully, Jamaica must demonstrate its ability to manage its own affairs, make informed decisions, and maintain stability in the face of uncertainty.
Today looked like business as usual. The Duke and Duchess at a teacher training college, pursuing Kate's passion for early years learning. But first, from the Jamaican Prime Minister, a public reminder that he wants an end to the British monarch's role as head of state.
But Jamaica is, as you would see, a country that is very proud of our history, very proud of what we have achieved, and we're moving on. And we intend to attain in short order our development goals and fulfill our true ambitions. Independent, developed, prosperous country.
This won't have been what the Duke and Duchess were expecting. The Prime Minister did campaign on a pledge to make Jamaica a republic, but to speak to the couple like this in front of the cameras is pretty strong stuff. If offence was taken, they certainly weren't showing it. But the Prime Minister's words are a reminder that the ties between Britain and the far-flung realms depend on present-day politics as much as the long links of history.
The country's current system of government is based on the British model, with a monarch serving as head of state. However, this system has been in place for centuries, and many Jamaicans feel that it's time for a change. The move to become a republic is seen as a way to assert Jamaica's independence and self-governance, and to create a more modern and inclusive system of government.
As part of the role of the new Ministry of Legal and Constitutional Affairs, it's to oversee and advise the government on the way forward in the transition towards becoming a republic. Minister Marlene Malahoo Ford, who was the country's former Attorney General, is heading up that ministry. For Jamaica to make this move, the Constitution has provisions that require a referendum, allowing the electorate to vote on the proposal before it heads to the legislature.
Economic self-sufficiency is a critical component of Jamaica's readiness for republic status. The country must be able to generate its own revenue, manage its debt, and maintain a stable economy without relying heavily on external support. This requires a diversified economy with a strong focus on domestic production, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Currently, Jamaica's economy is heavily reliant on tourism, remittances, and foreign investment. While these sectors are important, they also make the country vulnerable to external shocks, such as global economic downturns or changes in international trade policies. To mitigate these risks, Jamaica must develop a more resilient economy with a stronger focus on domestic industry, agriculture, and innovation.
The better Jamaica that I'm calling for not necessarily mean just reparations. Jamaica needs a wholesome development.
A wholesome development indeed. In addition to economic self-sufficiency, Jamaica must also demonstrate social and institutional readiness for republic status. This includes, number one, strong institutions. Jamaica's institutions such as its parliament, judiciary and civil service must be robust, transparent, and accountable to ensure good governance and the rule of law. Number two, social cohesion. The country must foster a sense of national unity and social cohesion, addressing issues such as poverty, inequality, and crime to create a stable and secure environment. Number three, education and skills development. Jamaica must invest in education and skills development to equip its citizens with the knowledge and expertise needed to drive economic growth and innovation. A critical aspect of social and institutional readiness is the need for proper health care. Jamaica's healthcare system must be able to provide high quality, accessible, and affordable health care to all citizens. This includes investing in healthcare infrastructure, training healthcare professionals, and implementing policies to promote public health and prevent diseases. Jamaica's healthcare system faces several challenges, including a shortage of healthcare professionals, inadequate healthcare infrastructure, and limited access to healthcare services in rural areas. To address these challenges, the government must prioritize healthcare and invest in initiatives that promote healthcare development. To achieve self-sufficiency and prepare for republic status, Jamaica can take several steps. 1. Diversify the economy. Encourage domestic production, innovation, and entrepreneurship to reduce reliance on external factors. Number 2. Invest in education and skills development. Develop a highly skilled and educated workforce to drive economic growth and innovation. Number 3. Strengthen institutions. Enhance the transparency, accountability, and effectiveness of Jamaica's institutions to ensure good governance and the rule of law. Number 4. Foster social cohesion. Address issues such as poverty, inequality, and crime to create a stable and secure environment. Number 5. Prioritize healthcare. Invest in healthcare development, improve healthcare infrastructure, and promote public health to ensure that all citizens have access to high-quality, affordable healthcare services. Effective leadership will be crucial in guiding Jamaica through this transition. The country's leader must be able to navigate the complex challenges of republic status, while also building a strong and stable economy, fostering a sense of national unity and social cohesion, and prioritizing healthcare development. By doing so, Jamaica can create a strong foundation for its future as a republic and ensure that its citizens enjoy a high quality of life. Thank you for watching. If this kind of video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.